I want to do a song for you by Michael Murphy, one of my all-time favorites, called Wildfire. I can't play it in the key that he played it in because he played it in E. That's too high for me, so I'm playing it in D. And also my guitar is tuned down. It's detuned also to keep songs in my range. So this is how I play Wildfire. She comes down the yellow mountain on a dark flat land she rides on a pony she named Wildfire, with a whirlwind by her side on a cold Nebraska night. They say she died one winter when there came a killing frost, and the pony she named Wildfire busted down his saw. In a blizzard he was lost. She ran calling wildfire. She ran calling wildfire. She ran calling It's almost still too high for me.